Sa impotent. Of course, ang babae naman, anong term yun? Yung lalaki, siyempre, pag impotent yun. Yung babaeng pag nakipagtalik, parang bumagsak na poste ng Meralco na.
Frigid.
Parang bumagsak ng Meralco.
Frigid.
Frigid. Ano?
Ay, pero hindi ground yun ha. By itself, it should not be.
Daya naman.
Physically incapable. Diba?
Daya naman.
Ang sinabi ng batas ay yung isa sa mga parties ay physically incapable of consummating the marriage with the other person. Okay? And yung incapacity na yon continues and appears to be incurable.
Yun na nga, ang akin nga rito. Kasi sa lalaki, madaling sabihin Kasi yung hindi lang talaga,
madaling makita.
Madaling makita Hindi tumayo. Talagang, ano ba naman ito? 3 taon na tayong ganito. Ano ba naman ito? Pinarurusahan mo na ako nito. Di ba? May babae din naman na, ano ka ba, 5 taon na tayong ganito? Para kang natumbang puno na, paano yun?
Medical condition yun.
Your mic, please, sir.
Siguro dapat papacheck yung babae. Physically.
Kaya nga yung annulment, it's a very long process. Matagal na matagal kasi they really have to prove that these things are happening. And that's true. Kasi may mga iba naman na pwede physically fit. No, they really look like a macho hunk and all that. But there is a mental block that when they have to engage in the marital, talaga nahihirapan or something. No, may ganun. But that has to be proven.
Somebody is documenting our discussion and you will gonna use it as a ground for divorcing her wife.
Divorcing.
Divorce ba ito?
Ikaw naman.
There is no divorce in the Philippines.
Yes, that's true. Separation, but you cannot remarry.
Annulment dito, annulment.
Yeah, that's the annulment.
Annulment. If you want to marry again, you have to have your marriage annulled or declared annulity.
Yeah, pero hindi ba Attorney Marilyn, yung annulment din kasi sa Catholic Church, meron din dapat annulment doon sa
church.
church.
Hindi pa ninyo nasasagot yung tanong ko. Anong gagawin doon? Yung mga lalaki marahil nakikinig sa atin na ganun ang problema, yung asawa nga nila, walang katorya-torya
Ano ba yan?
Hindi ba yun Kuan?
Walang katorya-torya.
Alam niyo mga kaibigan, sana nakikita yung mukha ni Henry dito.
Walang walang katorya-torya. Ayon sa survey, ang numero 1 na primary need ng isang lalaki is sex.
Yeah.
Nag-asawa siya, siyempre kasama nga yun sa obligasyon.
Oo naman.
Paano nga kung yung babae
kung incapable nga
hindi mag-file ka na kaya naman.
Be annulled, can be annulled.
Dinodocument ka ngayon.
So, ano sasabihin? Judge, ito talagang napakasawa mo.
That's the annulment mo. But it has to be proven. It doesn't mean that just like that, sasabihin mo lang ganun, sige, annulled na kayo. No. The process is very long. You have to go through examinations. Merong mga psychological tests, a battery of tests to really prove. Ano ba, baka naman may block lang siya o merong konting So these things, need really an expert. Hindi lang basta-basta kwentuhang ganyan.
Hindi ba? How do you prove na physically incapable of consummating the marriage? Kailangan meron kang
kailangan pang i-video.
Meron kang medical
to use as an evidence, kailangan may video clip nung pa.
Hindi naman. Ikaw talaga, yung mga exams nga, battery of tests. Kasi makikita nila yung inconsistency between your physical assets and all that, and that what you really put down. At saka yung mga experts, they really know how to interpret. I tell you, it's very, kung minsan paano nila nalaman yun, something like that. Pero ang church, nabalikan ko yung church, they will always insist that before you can remarry in church again, the annulment must also, what is this?
That's why yung mga tao, yung mga, most people, yung mga kasal sa simbahan, nagpapa-annul yan.
Both sa church. Pagkinunin natin yung tanong. Ang sinasabi ninyo, it really needs an expert. Hindi kinakailangan may certification ng doctor, may ng psychiatrist. Yung mga basic yan. Halimbawa si lalaki, Doc, itong aking asawa, inyong tingnan, inyong kausapin, inyong punan. Pagkatapos makausap ng doktor, talagang nag-certify yung doktor na itong asawa mo ay talagang may problema ito.
At saka mga